Hello guys, my name is Ibrahim Bakoji. I'm here to have fun with you, create content, engage you, solve problems for friends and the friends of our friends. So I intend to do a 5 to 7 minutes video as frequent as I can, and the sole aim of this is to make our friends rich in 2022. We have had a lot of situations where people will keep asking, show us the way, cut soap for me, and several slangs that we have. But I guess the situation should be, let's teach you how to catch the fish, right? So if this is great, smash the subscribe button, hit up the like button, and let's get rich in 2022. So our 5 to 7 minutes video will focus on crypto and crypto related topics. And we intend to hold your hands and take you from grass to grace. If you believe in us, show us that support by, don't forget, smashing the subscribe button, share to your friends, hit up the like button, and let's hit the ground running.